So it is an important time, all those questions of how the factions will unite, who is going to lead the party from here on, if that merger does indeed take place, all those questions are for later. Today, of course, is a time to remember Ajit Pawar, the works that it is, his life and times, and a journey or a life or an ambition left unfulfilled. The man who always wanted the top job in Maharashtra, perpetual deputy chief minister, perpetual finance minister, as people would call him. Governments would change, but Ajit Pawar was the constant and was very, witty, humorous, and also controversial, would speak his mind. Sometimes that will get him in trouble as well. As these visuals are playing out today, all those moments that people shared with 66-year-old Ajit Pawar are playing out in their minds as this entire enclosure is shouting, "Long live Ajit Dada Pawar." Dada, as he was known as, Dada or the elder brother within the family, also here with the Karyakartas. At this moment, all of them praying for him, remembering Ajit Pawar. Vedika.
Us on this broadcast here in the studio. Padmaja, just look at those visuals, the crowd swelling at the funeral ground. Of course, it bears witness to the fact that how popular Ajit Pawar was with the people of Baramati, the love they had for him, and how they could relate to the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Absolutely. This is going to be a morning that is going to be extremely important, not just for the politics of the country and of Maharashtra, but in particular the people of Baramati. At Vidya Pratishthan, one of the showpieces, the things that had been done by the Pawar family, in particular Ajit Pawar, for this pocket borough of the Pawar family. In Baramati, the kind of development that had been done, the kind of institutes that had been made were always held up as an example of just how much progress this area has made. It was shown off proudly by the Pawar family as proof that this is really an area that they have taken care of. Story after story, and everyone who is gathered over there, when Ankit will speak to them, will have a personal story of how they went to the office of Ajit Pawar, a sabha that he used to do there. Today morning, when people come to Baramati and they are there to mourn for their Ajit Dada, Dada Cha Vada. That used to be the rallying cry. The word of Ajit Dada is final. Nothing more needs to be said. If Ajit Pawar says this needs to be done, if somebody approaches him in Mumbai, Ankit, and says, "I am from Baramati," it's almost like that was their passport to get an instant audience with Ajit Pawar. There were so many people whose stories we've been hearing over the last several hours who used to say, "I'm a college student. I needed a job. Ajit Dada sat me down and personally counseled me and said, this is what you should do." Somebody who's been given a small loan, who's been put in a job, somebody who was helped with getting electricity supply, farmers in particular. Sudhir Suryavanshi, author and senior editor at the New Indian Express, is with us. But let's stay with Ankit, because I think now that funeral procession from Kathewari, the ancestral village of Ajit Pawar, where his body has been kept in state. People, yesterday evening, you had Uddhav Thackeray with his wife landing in Baramati to pay their last respects. Yesterday, you had the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister sitting with Supriya Sule and Sunitra Pawar paying their condolences. Today morning also, they have already reached Baramati from Mumbai. But every single person there, Ankit, coming with their own little personal story, which is why yesterday also, when in the hospital, Ajit Pawar had been brought in Baramati, there were just people who were crying Dada. It wasn't a politician's passing. It was almost like that of a family member, Ankit.
Absolutely, a family member, a guardian, the man who in fact took care of them. That was the sentiment. Who was so accessible to all of them. In fact, I was speaking to a few people. It will be difficult for me to in fact go across to them because of the security. They have been put in a different enclosure, but thousands of people coming in here every single week. From Mumbai, he made sure that he visited Baramati every single week. They said 8 दिन में 2 बार आते थे, and he would come here. look at the work which is going on, look at the work which is, pending, meet people. And even at his ancestral village, I was talking to somebody who is a neighbor to their house, and he said that, when he used to come, and if you go and meet him, you will never feel that you are meeting a politician of his stature, of a deputy chief minister. He would meet you as your neighbor. And that was the strength that the Pawars, have garnered as far as Baramati is concerned. While we are speaking, so just a moment back, Praful Patel, the second most powerful leader as far as the Ajit Pawar faction of the party is concerned, he just arrived, met Sharad Pawar. I can still see Supriya Sule standing there. She's the one who's been managing affairs here while the family moves the mortal remain in that carriage from their village to this very place where it will be brought. Vidya Pratishthan, as you were speaking about, Padmaja, there are places in Baramati, and the entrance to this area, when you come, you don't feel like that this is, somebody would in the country would think this is back on beyond of Maharashtra. It actually is not. There are places and streets which are much better than a Mumbai or Pune. That's the kind of work that they have done. That's the kind of development that they have done. Just short while back, there was this AI center which was inaugurated. Both senior and Pawar, Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar, both of them were there along with Supriya Sule, and at that inauguration, and people were already talking about how in just a few months from now there is all those talks of reunion. And Ajit Pawar, despite doing the somersault that he used to in politics, going and standing with Devendra Fadnavis for those 18 hours of the deputy chief minister, going back to his uncle, and now being in power without his uncle, wanted the family and the party to stay united. He was in talks with his uncle and Supriya Sule to finalize both the factions coming together, all of those things, and especially at a time in the municipal elections. Padmaja, we were reporting about it, we were talking about it. How Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune, their bastion as well. He was the guardian minister for Pune for a very, very long time. And they lost those elections. But knowing the man Ajit Pawar was, rolled his sleeves up and said that, whatever happened. Zilla Parishad is where we have to now show our strength. He was coming to, in fact, Baramati yesterday for preparations of that. Actually, at this moment, there is somebody speaking. I'll have to figure out who, but they are speaking about the order. People are coming in and paying their respects. In fact, speaking. Okay, so the announcement is that the people from the Pawar family and the MPs and MLAs, they are being told to, in fact, come to the enclosure on their where I'm standing to my right, and on the left is the place where the people would be coming in from. That's the entrance, and on both sides, this ground, which has capacity of about 50,000 people, since morning is only swelling up. People coming in, some sitting in a very orderly fashion, others standing, and there are those who are outside the ground, on the periphery, on the boundary walls, also standing. This Vidya Pratishthan is a full education city. It's a hub which has big institutes from engineering to architecture, medical, an English higher secondary institution. So all of these, it's a combination of these institutions, a showpiece, as you were saying, of the work that has been done here by Ajit Pawar. And for the people, they are still coming to terms with the shock. I mean, everybody keeps talking about the politics. He played his politics in a very unprecedented, unpredictable manner, and so was his death, so sudden and unpredictable. So the people are still coming to terms with that Ajit Pawar is really no more.